Hello, welcome back. So today we are working on a LENNOX package rooftop unit. So this one is a landmark series, and the customer is saying that this unit is not heating, and we're gonna deep dive into the troubleshooting step by step. So first we're gonna open the main electrical panel and see what is going on with it. So let's open up. Okay, so I have opened up the electrical sections and the power is on. I can see one small LED light is on. This is the VFD board, and other than that there is no LED blinking on the ignition control board. So we're gonna confirm that if we have a voltage on this thermostat R terminal 24 volt first. And before doing that, I wanna just make sure if we are getting a full 575 volt three-phase input power supply. So usually the power is coming through this disconnect switch, which is located here, and after that it is going through these thick red wires to this terminal, and from this terminal it is getting distributed to the top side of all the contactors. On the top side they are connected parallelly, so we can verify any of this contactor at the top portion if we are getting a 575 three-phase voltage properly, and then after that we are going to confirm what is going on with the low voltage. Okay, my multimeter is in voltage setting, you can see, and just bear with me. Okay, so I'm gonna test on the top portion of this contactor between L1 to L2. $620 something. Between L2 to L3, 627. Between L1 to L3, 620. Okay, so we have proper voltage incoming power supply, three-phase 575, and we're gonna test between ground to R terminal of the thermostat, so which is here. Zero. Or between R to C. Yeah, nothing. Yeah, nothing, zero. Okay, so we do not have 24 volt. And next thing, we're gonna check the transformer. And this unit also has a phase monitor device, as you can see, which is generally get bad whenever there is a 24 volt issue, when the unit is completely dead. So let's I think we have some sort of issue with the phase monitor. Okay, if you oh yes, if you can see that it is blinking red. So normally when everything is okay, it blinks green. So we have a bad phase monitor. So what it does, it gets a so one of the high voltage line three-phase is connected to this device, and whenever there is everything is going on, everything is okay, then on these two wire I think there is some sort of relays inbuilt. When everything is okay, then disconnect between these two red wire, and the third wire, the gray one, is common. So usually the power comes from the transformer, 24 volt transformer, to this device, and when everything is okay, then it goes to the systems. So I think the switch between these two wires is open now because it is blinking red. So how we can test? we just have to jump between these two wires. If the unit runs, then we have a bad three-phase monitor. So let's take this wire out and jump between these two wires, and we'll see what is going on. Okay, so I have taken these two wires out. Of course the power is off, and I have jumped between these two wires using additional scrap piece of wire. So I have jumped between these two red wire, and now I'm gonna turn on the power. Before turning it on, I'm gonna put the jumper between R to W1. I don't know if the thermostat is set to heat or so. Let's do it. Okay, so I have placed a jumper between R to W1, and I have jumped between these two red wires, and I'm gonna turn on the power. Hopefully everything is gonna be okay, and we will have, oh yeah, the vendor motor started. So we have a bad three-phase monitor device, so we're gonna recommend customer to replace this one. This is cheap. We can simply just jump between these two wires and the unit is gonna be okay. But since the manufacturer had put this device for some reason, so we're gonna replace it. It's not much expensive. Okay, we have ignition, and let's wait for the. So this unit has a VFD drive for blower motor. So I will let the unit run for 10-15 minutes, making sure everything is okay. Then we'll come back to replace this three-phase monitor. Okay, so we are back with the new three-phase monitor device. So this is the new one, and I have just taken out the old one. It's still connected with the wire because we have some sort of room, or we can simply take the picture for the wire connection. And if there is a room, so I would like to prefer this method. And this one looks a little bit different, but it's the same thing. So we're gonna connect this one. Okay, so I have installed the new one. So new one, the LENNOX, they do a really good job by marking these wire. So just match these wire or take a picture. So jump between R to W1. Let's turn on the power. Okay, so the vendor motor started. I don't know if you can see, we have a, I can't even see properly. Yeah, it's very mild. The green LED is blinking. It's very mild. But our unit is operational now. So that was the issue. So unit fired up. So that was an easy peasy troubleshoot, and see you next time. Thank you for watching.